You've kind of made the case that you can say more concrete things about the existence of objects in mathematics than you can in our physical reality, about which to us human brains things are obvious and not. So what's more real? The reality we see with our eyes or the reality we can express in mathematical theorems?
I'm not quite sure. I mean, I live entirely in the Platonic realm, and I don't really understand the physical universe at all. So I don't have strong views.
Let's talk about the Platonic realm. Is it like, because you live there, is it real?
Oh,
Or is
yeah, totally. Yeah. This is the realist position in mathematics, is that abstract objects have a real existence. And okay, what's meant by that is that there's some sense of existence in which those objects can be regarded as real.
how should we think about that? How should we try to visualize that? What does it mean to live amongst abstract objects?
Right.
Because life is finite. We're all afraid of death. We fall in love with other physical manifestations of objects.
Right.
And you're telling me that maybe reality actually exists elsewhere, and this is all just a projection
Well, I mean,
from the abstract realm.
do abstract objects exist in a place and at a time? That's very debatable, I
Right.
think.
And what does
there's
place
some
and time
all
mean?
time. Yeah. So,
It's like, what's more real, physics or the mathematical Platonic space?
well, the mathematical Platonic realm is, I'm not sure I would say it's more real, but I'm saying we understand the reality of it in a much deeper and
Yeah.
more convincing way. I don't think we understand the nature of physical reality very well at all. And I think most people aren't even scratching the surface of the question as I intend to be asking it. So, obviously we understand physical reality. I mean, I knock on the table and
Yeah.
so on, and we know all about what it's like to, have a birthday party or to drink a martini or whatever. And so we have a deep understanding of existing in the physical world. But maybe understanding is the wrong word. We have an experience of living in the
Yeah.
world and riding
Experience.
bicycles and all those things. But I don't think we actually have an understanding at all. I mean, very, very little of the nature of physical existence. I think it's a profound mystery. Whereas I think that we do have something a little better of an understanding of the nature of mathematical existence and abstract existence. So that's how I would describe the point.
Somehow it feels like we're approaching some deep truth from different directions. And we just haven't traveled as far in the physics world as we have in the mathematical world.
Maybe I could hope that someone will give, the convincing account. But it seems to be a profound mystery to me. I can't even imagine what it would be like to give an account of physical existence.
Yeah, I wonder, like 1,000 years from now, as physics
Right.
progresses, what this same conversation would look like.
Right. That would be quite interesting.